And in 2025, you can see that from this chart, you have a no single auspicious star, which is make the inauspicious star really damaging. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. If you are born in the following year, your zodiac is a gold, which is 1943, 1955, 1967, 1979, 1991, 2003, and 2015. And in 2025, you can see that from this chart, you have a no single auspicious star, which is make the inauspicious star really damaging. So this year you have a 4 inauspicious one. The first one is a 地喪, the second is a 大煞, the third one is a 爆尾, the last one is a 飛廉. These 4 stars have a different concern, different issue. So in terms of your business, this year is not a good year for you to expand your business. If you are working for somebody, this year is good idea for you to keep low profile, to do whatever you are doing, keep doing what you are doing, and then it's not a good year for you to change your job this year. Or if you want to start your own business, this year definitely not a good year to do that. Maybe you can wait until 2026, because 2026 is pretty good for you. And if you already have your own business, this year you need to be really careful. This year is not a good year for you to expand your business. You also need to pay attention for the people around you or the employee. There will be some issue showing up. So this year, no matter you work for somebody or you work for yourself, you also need to be careful for some people issue. Some of your friends, your colleagues will just pretend to be your friend, but actually there's some hidden enemy. They will do something to hurt your interest behind you, so you need to pay attention for that one. And also, you need to be careful for you to invest, because the investment luck this year is also not really good. So you need to be more like a conservative and then watch the market really closely. And this year, they'll also have some health concern, especially there's some like a minor injury, minor car accident. You also need to pay attention. And this year, you also need to pay attention for the love energy is also not a really good one. Just keep low profile. That will be good for you. And this year you need to pay attention for the August 2025 and also January next year 2026. These 2 months is not a really good like a timing for you. So if you want to boost your luck, you can find your like a helping hand. And the zodiac horse is always your like a personal helping hand. So find the zodiac horse will help you out. If you want to find someone to help your business, the zodiac pig and rabbit, they're good for you because they're good for business. And stay away from the zodiac ox because they're always against you. The zodiac dog and rat, they're also not really good for you. And use more like your lucky timing, which is from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m., 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. This 2 timing is really lucky for you. So anything important you can schedule on this timing. Let's say from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. You can use more in this like a lunchtime, and stay away from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. because this is your bad luck timing. 11 p.m. to 3 a.m. is also a better timing. Some people will say that, hey, 11 p.m. to 3 a.m. is the time you already go to bed. But let's say if you are born in some country, but you move to another country, so you also need to consider that kind of timing. Let's say for me, I'm originally from Hong Kong, so the Hong Kong timing will always affecting me. So when I discount it, let's say 11 p.m. to 3 a.m. is like a nighttime in California, but it's a daytime in Hong Kong. So that time of timing, I also need to pay attention. So if your zodiac is a goat, you also need to pay attention. If you are not live in the country or the city you're born, you also need to translate the timing to help you. And in this year, I wish you good luck. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye. If you want to learn Feng Shui systematically, I have a class online. The name is the Accredited Professional Practical Feng Shui Master Course. I put the link down below. You can go there, check it out. Or if you want to read some Feng Shui book, I have a book on Amazon.com. The name is the Practical Feng Shui 101. I also put the link down below. Thanks for watching. Thank you.